Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel. It's always a pleasure to have you here. If this is your first time joining us, a big warm welcome to you. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Many people don't realize the importance of good vision until they start having problems with it. Your eyes are incredibly sensitive yet vital organs. They may be adversely affected by your environment, any chronic conditions you suffer from, and even by aging. However, the most significant influence on them comes from your diet, which can impact them positively or negatively. Wouldn't it be great to make intentional food choices that support better eye health? Don't you want to decrease your risk of developing age-related eye diseases? That's why we're here to introduce you to the top 9 foods that will help you achieve and maintain crystal clear vision. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Eggs. Eggs are one of the most beneficial foods for your eyes due to their rich content of lutein and zeaxanthin, two powerful antioxidants found in the yolk. These antioxidants help filter out harmful blue light emitted from screens and sunlight, protecting your retina from damage and reducing the risk of macular degeneration and cataracts, two common eye conditions associated with aging. Eggs are a good source of vitamin A, E, and zinc. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that can shield the eye cells from oxidative damage. Studies have proved that higher intake of vitamin E are associated with a lower risk of getting cataracts and age-related macular degeneration thanks to its antioxidant effect. Zinc, on the other hand, is essential to help enzymes carry out vital chemical reactions inside your retina. This helps support your vision. You can have 1 to 2 eggs per day. However, it's recommended to not exceed 4 to 5 eggs per week to avoid high cholesterol blood levels. Number 2. Spinach. Like eggs, spinach is packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, two powerful antioxidants that protect the eyes. They are carotenoids, which means that they belong to the family of vitamin A. By now, most of people have heard at least once about the harmful so-called blue light being emitted from our screens and damaging our eyes. Blue light is emitted from the sun and any device that uses LED technology, which happens to be what most of our screens are made of. The problem with blue light is that it can speed up age-related macular degeneration. Your macula is the central part of your retina. When it starts to degenerate, your visual field starts to narrow from the periphery to the center. But what does all this have to do with spinach? Well, lutein and zeaxanthin in spinach absorb blue light, so they protect the retina from damage and potentially slow down the development of age-related macular degeneration. Moreover, they form a protective layer in the macula, which further helps maintain your vision. Your eyes will thank you if you add spinach to your salads or your favorite pasta dish. Number 3. Almonds. Almonds also contain healthy fats, which enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin E, further benefiting eye health. Try eating 24 almonds per day, which is the recommended daily intake, and see how you start seeing more clearly. Almonds have vitamin E, flavonoids, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids, in addition to numerous other compounds that support your eye health. Flavonoids are potent antioxidants, just like vitamin E. The benefits of all these compounds combined can help significantly enhance the quality of your vision and decrease the risk of developing detrimental eye disease and slowing their progress. Number 4. Bell peppers. Bell peppers are excellent for maintaining clear vision, especially the red and yellow ones, because they are rich in vitamin C, which helps protect the eyes from oxidative damage. Vitamin C strengthens the blood vessels in the eyes, reducing the risk of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Bell peppers also contain beta-carotene and other carotenoids that the body converts into vitamin A, supporting good vision and protecting the eye's surface. It also plays a role in detecting light by the retina and transmitting impulses to your brain. Furthermore, beta-cryptoxanthin possesses an anti-inflammatory action. It decreases the risk of development and progression of inflammatory eye disease, such as dry syndrome, uveitis, and diabetic retinopathy. Number 5. Oranges. Oranges are known for their high vitamin C content. Vitamin C can support your vision by playing a role in collagen formation in your cornea, sclera, and lens, in addition to neutralizing harmful free radicals. Having 2 to 3 oranges throughout your day can provide you with a good daily supply of vitamin C. You can peel, eat, or blend them and enjoy every sip of that tasty juice. Number 6. Salmon. Salmon can do wonders for vision, mainly due to being rich in omega-3 fatty acids. The omega-3 fatty acids found in salmon are docosahexaenoic acid, or DHA for short, and icosapentaenoic acid, or EPA for short. 93% of the omega-3 fatty acids in your retina are DHA. Do you see how essential it is? Eating salmon provides your body with DHA, which helps to support the healthy composition of your retina. Moreover, both DHA improve the quality and amount of tears by strengthening the oil layer of the tear film. This is the layer that prevents the evaporation of your tears and so keeps your eye moist. Number 7. Blueberries. Did you know that having a fresh blueberry smoothie in the morning can contribute positively to your eye health? Blueberries are rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, vitamin C, vitamin A, and vitamin E. The antioxidants in blueberries may enhance circulation in the eye, ensuring that essential nutrients are delivered effectively to eye cells. Emerging research suggests that the antioxidants in blueberries may also have neuroprotective effects, potentially benefiting the brain and the visual processing pathways. Did you know that approximately 6.5% of people aged 40 to 64 have developed age-related macular degeneration? Regular consumption of blueberries may help prevent age-related eye diseases such as macular degeneration and glaucoma. You can even add blueberries to yogurt, fruit salads, or cupcakes. Number 8. Carrots. Ask any child what to eat if you want to improve your eyesight, and we bet you they'll say carrots. This is because carrots are high in a plant pigment called beta-carotene. Beta-carotene is converted to vitamin inside the body, and vitamin A is vital for maintaining superb vision. But how does it do that? Well, at the back of your eyes there is a structure called the retina. Your retina detects light and sends signals to your brain via the optic nerve. One type of receptor in your retina is called rods. Rods allow you to see in low light. However, for them to function properly they need photopsin, and this is where vitamin A plays a crucial role. Furthermore, vitamin A helps to keep your cornea clear. Your cornea is an outer layer in your eyes that is on your pupil and iris. It's supposed to be clear to allow light to properly reach your retina. A lack of vitamin A in your diet can lead to a condition called xerophthalmia, which can lead to blindness in severe cases. So, cutting carrots into sticks and having them as snacks between your meals will greatly improve your vision. Number 9. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are also a good source of vitamin C and vitamin E, both of which are antioxidants that protect the eyes from free radical damage and oxidative stress. All these compounds are extremely powerful antioxidants which make sweet potatoes a superfood. Regularly including sweet potatoes in your diet not only supports better vision, but also helps reduce the risk of developing serious eye disorders as you age. Additionally, sweet potatoes have a low glycemic index, which means they release sugar into the bloodstream gradually, preventing spikes that can damage blood vessels in the eyes. You can bake sweet potatoes in the oven at 400° F or 200° for 45 to 60 minutes until they are tender. So, these were the top 9 foods to improve your eye health and maintain crystal clear vision. Thank you for being here. I appreciate your time. If you found value in this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it. Your support can make a bigger impact.